So good day, sir. I will demonstrate this perform SQL injection. So locate the login form on Alturo Mutual or your local system. Navigate to the login page. So ito na po yung Alturo manual. Then modify the parameters using the following SQL injection payload or 1 equals 1. Forward request check if the bypass authentication. So first open natin yung proxy. Intercept is on. Okay naman siya. Then open browser. Wait lang. The latest research update. Then join port. Then copy natin yung ito. Yan. Discuss this QL. So forward request. So naka-open naman na yung intercept on natin. Proxy. Tapos punta na tayo sa Alturo Mutual. So try natin mag-login dito. So when I click login, napasok ako dito sa site na to. Checking savings. Ano sabi din? So SQL forward request, check bypass authentication, modify parameters using the following reload, enter, capture the request. With verb should capture the request. Capture request. Proxy. Either. Okay naman. Open request. So wait lang natin yung ano. Post okay naman proxy. Okay naman yung ano natin. Tumasok naman tayo dito. Sabi, explain how to disallows on attackers bypass authentication. Discuss the impact of SQL injection on web security. So, discuss the impact of SQL injection on web security. Security risk authentication bypass. Attackers can log in as any user, including admins, data leakage. Attackers can extract sensitive data like email, password, or credit cards. Data manipulation. They can modify, insert, or delete data. Full system compromise. In severe cases, attackers can execute OS commands if the database allows it. And reputation damage. User lose trust and business may face legal consequences. The real world impact. Many high profile breaches, example Sony TokTok, were caused by SQL injection in rank as one of the top 10. Then SQL injection is a technique where an attacker inject malicious SQL code into input fields such as login forms to manipulate the underlying database query. For example, entering or one dito sa may ano, yung username. As both the username and password can alter the SQL query to always return true, allowing the attackers to bypass authentication without valid credentials. This occurs because this injected condition tricks the application into thinking the login is valid, often granting access to the first user in the database, potentiality, and administrator. The impact of SQL injection is web security, server, as it can lead to unauthorized access, data breaches, data manipulation, and even full system compromise if not properly mitigated. It exposes sensitive information, undermines user trust, and can result in significant financial and reputational damage for organization. So, yun lang po. That's it, sir.